Hey folks, Bob here at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. And look at what we have right here. It's warm today. Trying not to stir up a snake. Don't see one. That's good. This is, I think, John, we're at John's, over here at John's garage. I believe he said this was a 66 Impala. It's not an SS, it is an Impala. And you can see the Impala badging right here on the fender. We got some briars. And this car belongs to his son. It was originally a big block car, probably a 396. It's not an SS though. And it's restorable, at least this side it looks like it is. Let's see if we can take a peek in here. No, that door's stuck. I don't want to mess him up there. That's a shame. Now we wanted to get a look at that dash. Oh man, I can't see the glare. Let's walk around the other side here. Here's a parts car to it right here. Yeah, it's going to take some work, unlike some of the cars we've done. We got some trunk rot. We'll look at the parts car trunk here in a minute. I've always liked this body style. Again, he told me it was a 66. Oh, she's been smashed over here. See if we can get a look at that rear end. Tell what kind of rear end's in it. I don't know my GM. Oh, good Lord. I'm not going to be able to tell you somebody's pulled the cover off. We can ask him though. It's definitely restorable. That trunk on the parts car ain't no better. There's a place in Burlington, North Carolina that specializes in Impalas. Hubbard's, I believe it is. Don't hold me to that. I see their billboard out on the interstate when I'm traveling to Greensboro. They may have what we need to fix this car. I'm not buying it. He gave me permission to look at it. That door ain't opening either. He said it was an factory air car. If I wasn't so knee deep in projects, I'd have to buy this. That is cool. I like it. Like I said, it's one of my favorite body styles. See if we can get up here and not step on anything that's gonna hurt us. Yeah, man. That grill looks nice. The bumper appears to be okay. It's got a hole drilled right here for some reason. One on both sides. Might have been a bumper guard. There's two lower bumper guards there, but that balance panel looks good from what I can tell. Headlight bezel, I think it may be okay. There's probably another one laying inside of it. The hood looks okay. You won't know until you open it up. I'm gonna say there ain't no hood hinges on it, just by the way the hood's looking right here. It's like it was last on the road in '87. Yeah, there's the other headlight bezel. All right, guys. Like it might have been blue at one time. I like the black better myself, but whatever. All right, folks, I hope you guys enjoyed that, got something out of that. I want to inquire on this car, see if it is for sale. I don't have any intentions of buying it, but sometimes they give you a price you can't refuse. I don't know what I would do with it, because I got too many going on now. Maybe I can pass it on to somebody, but folks, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button especially. Comment, tell me what you think about these cars. I've always liked these old big Chevys in this era. Mid to late 60s were my favorite. And scroll, watch some of the other videos we got over 5 years now. I'm sure you'll find something else you like. And hit that like button. And I'll tell you what, I think you'll find some cool stuff. We got something for everybody on there. All righty, Bob out.